Okay, I'm out at this little cactus garden here to show you the ambient light meter reading and why I use this more than anything else these days. That's the dome that's on the camera. You can see the dome is three-dimensional, so the light falls on the dome just the way it falls on this cactus. A lit side and a shadow side. So the dome gives me an accurate exposure base to start from. We've got our gray card out here. Our sun's right up there. It's not low on the horizon, so I'm going to guess that it's a sunny 16 shot. That would be f16 at 1 over the ISO. Since I'm at ISO 100, that would be f16 at 1/100th of a second. Let's see what we have. f16 at 1/100th of a second. Oh my, I'm shocked. Actually, the sunny 16 rule works pretty much everywhere. Now, the ambient light reading gives me the light falling on this target. It doesn't tell me what the target is because it doesn't care. An ambient light or a dome is subject neutral. It's not measuring reflectance, it's measuring the light falling on the subject. So it doesn't matter if the subject's black or gray or white. So we have this three-dimensional cactus here, and we have a three-dimensional dome. That reads the light. So I can take the dome up here, take a reading of it, and take a photograph of the cactus at the exposure that the dome is reading, and I'll bet you it's the same as if we took a reflected light reading from the gray. As a matter of fact, we know it is. So I'm going to shoot the cactus with the gray card, the target in it, so that we can take it into Photoshop and look at the different points, okay? So let's do that. I'm going to step over here and take the shot. And there we have the target rendered perfectly. And I've got my cactus back here rendered perfectly. And now we have to get into that real touchy area that I'll probably hit on a couple of times. There are two schools of thought to the dome. Some people will tell you point the dome at the light. The light is over there. As you can see, it's casting a shadow here. The light is over there. I say put the dome at the camera. Either way is correct if it's something that you do consistently. I don't really care. I don't have a dog in the hunt. I don't care. Whatever. I just don't. So you do whatever you want. Just do it consistently. But let's take a shot. Let's take a look at what the dome at the camera, at the light says. It says 16.3. The dome at the camera says 16. So let's shoot it a third underexposed and then one right on. Well, we just shot the one right on. Let's take it down a third. So we're on 16. I'm going to take it down to 18 and shoot the picture. Okay, we'll put it in Photoshop and let Photoshop decide what's right. It's okay with me.